For this reason, you should apply toothpaste to your kitchen scissors. Over time, it's very common for scissors to develop two annoying problems. The first one is rust. Moisture, humidity, and constant use slowly cause the metal to oxidize, making your scissors look old, dirty, and neglected. The second problem is dullness. After cutting paper, plastic, food packaging, and many other materials, the blades slowly lose their sharp edge, making every cut harder than it should be. Instead of throwing them away or buying a new pair, I'll show you two simple tricks that can help remove rust and restore sharpness using basic items you probably already have at home. Start by applying a generous amount of toothpaste directly onto the scissor blades. Use your fingers or a cloth to gently spread it across the surface. I'll only apply it on one side so you can clearly see the before and after difference. Let it sit for about 5 minutes so the toothpaste has time to break down rust and loosen dirt. Next, take a sheet of aluminum foil and crumple it into a small ball. Rub it firmly over the toothpaste-covered blade. The combination of friction from the foil and the mild abrasiveness of the toothpaste helps polish the metal, remove surface rust, and slightly sharpen the cutting edge. After a few minutes, wipe everything clean with a damp cloth and dry the scissors well. You'll notice they look cleaner, shinier, and cut much better. I hope this was helpful. Save this tip so you can easily fix your scissors whenever they start giving you trouble at home.